Today we're stepping inside one of the best small luxury motorhomes in Europe, the Solifer Action T742. This isn't just a compact RV. It's a rolling boutique hotel designed for people who want big motorhome comfort in a nimble package, and yes, it has one of the most impressive bathrooms and showers you'll ever see in a small RV. From its modern Scandinavian styling to its smart space solutions, this motorhome proves you don't have to sacrifice luxury for size. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's take a full tour of the Solifer Action T742. Let's start on the outside. The Solifer Action T742 is built on a Fiat-based chassis with a sleek, aerodynamic body. At just under 7.5 meters in length, it's compact enough for city streets yet still long enough to provide a true luxury interior. Smooth fiberglass panels, bold Solifer graphics, and modern LED running lights give it a premium automotive look. Large, tinted windows wrap the living area, ensuring privacy and flooding the interior with light. Storage is another highlight, with massive external lockers big enough for chairs, grills. Now for the heart of the T742, the lounge. This is where Solifer's Scandinavian design really shines. You get a spacious L-shaped sofa upholstered in soft, durable fabrics, a height-adjustable dining table, and panoramic windows all around. At night, the ambient LED lighting creates a warm, inviting glow. USB ports and 230-volt sockets are conveniently located for laptops and phones, making this an ideal space for working remotely or relaxing with friends. And because Solifer understands storage, there are overhead lockers with soft closed doors all around the lounge, perfect for keeping the space tidy even on long trips. Compact doesn't mean compromised cooking. The Solifer Action T742's kitchen is fully equipped for serious meal prep. You'll find a 3-burner gas hob with glass cover, a deep stainless steel sink, a large refrigerator with separate freezer and generous countertop space thanks to a folding extension. Drawers are full extension with soft close, and the splashback is easy to wipe clean, a detail that van chefs will love. Whether it's a quick espresso or a full dinner for 4, this kitchen is ready for action. One of the reasons the Action T742 stands out in the small luxury motorhome category is its brilliant sleeping layout. At the rear, you get 2 generous twin beds that can be converted into a huge king size with an infill cushion, perfect for couples or families. There's also an optional drop-down bed over the lounge for guests, giving you up to 4 comfortable sleeping places. The Solifer Action T742 boasts a bathroom that rivals much larger motorhomes. Step inside and you'll find a full-size shower with rigid doors, a proper ceramic toilet, and a large vanity with mirror and LED lighting. There's even clever storage for toiletries and towels, plus a window for ventilation. The shower tray has dual drains to prevent pooling on uneven ground, and the water heater ensures a long, hot shower after a day outdoors. For many buyers, this bathroom is the reason they choose the T742 over other compact RVs. See at first glance. Hidden under the sleek furniture are premium insulation layers and a robust heating system designed for year-round travel, even in winter climates. Dual-layer floors provide both storage compartments and protection from the cold. Warm air ducts are routed strategically to keep every corner comfortable, including the bathroom and the cab area, so you're never stepping out of the shower into a chilly space. This attention to detail means the Action T742 isn't just a summer camper, it's a true 4-season motorhome. When it comes to off-grid independence, Solifer has you covered. The Action T742 comes with a powerful onboard battery system, efficient LED lighting throughout, a large fresh water tank, and a generous wastewater tank. Optional roof-mounted solar panels can keep the batteries topped up when you're wild camping, and the gas locker is sized for extended stays away from hookups. All service points are conveniently placed for easy filling and draining, so setting up or breaking camp takes only minutes. As you walk back into the living area, you notice how solid everything feels. Cabinet doors close with a satisfying click, the furniture edges are rounded and finished, and there's no creaking or rattling even when you're driving over rough roads. The crafts are in towns or tight campgrounds. The 9-speed automatic transmission keeps the engine in its sweet spot, delivering both brisk acceleration and quiet cruising. Safety features like ABS, ESP, hill hold, and optional blind spot monitoring help make every trip relaxing rather than stressful. so you don't look like you're driving a circus wagon. Alloy wheels, LED daytime running lights, and flush-fitting windows give it an upscale automotive aesthetic. People turn their heads not because it's huge, but because it's elegant. Owners often say it's the first RV they've had where strangers come over at the campsite to ask about it. Because of its size, you can slip into smaller campsites, even some city parking spots, but inside it feels like a far larger motorhome. You wake up in a real bed, stretch, walk to a real bathroom with a real shower, brew coffee in a full kitchen, and then slide into the driver's seat to head off for another adventure. The transition from home to road is seamless because everything has been thought out. Heating, insulation, and power capacity mean you're not limited to warm weather destinations. Many owners take their Action T742 skiing, touring Scandinavian fjords in winter or exploring remote regions off-grid. The van's climate control keeps you comfortable, and the high-quality water system with frost protection means you're not worried about pipes freezing. This sense of freedom is what sets a true four-season motorhome apart from the usual holiday van. Even little touches add up. The entry door has a full-height insect screen, the steps deploy automatically, and a central control panel above the door lets you monitor battery levels, water tanks, and interior temperature at a glance. The LED lighting construction of the coach. This isn't a heavy A-class. It's a cleverly built coach that gets more miles per gallon while still delivering a premium ride. Service intervals are the same as any Fiat-based chassis, meaning parts and maintenance conversion. It's a thoughtfully engineered home on wheels that takes the stress out of travel. It's small enough to go anywhere, luxurious enough to feel special, and practical enough to live in for weeks at a time. Whether you're a couple seeking freedom, a small family wanting adventure, or a solo traveler